Hey everybody, this is a fairly short video. We're just going to talk about, excuse me, MyDesigns and their Vision AI to generate your titles, your descriptions, and your tags, okay? Now, I have just 3 images uploaded, all right? These are, can be used for clip art, for sublimation, whatever. And I want to generate my titles and tags and description for these. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to use Vision AI here in MyDesigns. It will look at the image and it will generate all that stuff for me automatically. All right. So I'm going to first select all 3 of my designs, and then I'm going to click on Quick Actions, and then I'm going to scroll down here to Vision AI. Now in here you have quite a few options. It says select product type. Now a lot of these are for POD products, your canvas, your posters, hoodies, things like that. But if you scroll all the way down to the bottom, you have 2 other choices. You have digital, which you could do, or you have other, and it says please specify. Now I'm going to show you what happens when you select digital, all right? Because, overall we are creating a digital product, so it might make sense to you to select digital. So I'm going to run that real quick, and let's see what happens. Okay, it has generated it, and what it is telling me in my title here, that this is wall decor, digital download, nursery art, printable decor, digital art print, and that's fine if that's what I am creating it for. But I'm not. My tags just say cute puppy art, nursery decor, digital download. That's not what I created these images for. These are for sublimation design or clip art. Let's say we are making these for clip art. So what I would do, I would go to Vision AI, I would scroll all the way down to the bottom, and I always select other. And I am very specific in my description of what I have here. So let's say I am listing these images as clip art images. All right, so what I put in here is 300 DPI clip art, 300 DPI transparent PNG clip art image. All right, because that is what I am selling. Okay, so now when I run, sorry, my mouse is acting up, and down here in custom instructions, a lot of times what I like to put down in here is do not include any more than 3 all capitalized words in the title. And I know I muffed that up, didn't I? Capitalized words in the title. Sometimes this helps, sometimes it doesn't. So let's see what we get. Generate listing data. Okay, now it's regenerated. Now our title says cute puppies with milkshake clip art, romantic puppy illustration, pink hearts and strawberries PNG, 300 DPI digital download. That is more in line with our product. Same way with our tags. They now say scrapbook puppy PNG, Kaiwai puppy digital, cute puppies clip art, good tags. Let's go down here to the next one. Christmas lantern clip art, festive winter holiday PNG, and that is what we are looking for. We wanted it to emphasize that we are creating and selling a clip art image, okay? So while you can use that digital product, here we'll go back in here, you can use that digital product designation. I always recommend selecting other and entering in specifically what it is you are selling. All right. Let's do this. I'm going to change it again. Let me put in here. Let's say these are all tumbler wraps. So I am selling 20-ounce skinny tumbler sublimation design. All right. That is what I am selling. So let's create listing data again. All right, it's complete, and now you see the title say Cute Puppy 20-ounce skinny tumbler design, tumbler wrap, sublimation tumbler print, Valentine tumbler art. The tags reflect that I am selling a tumbler. Same way with the other listings, it all shows that I am selling a tumbler wrap, okay, because that is what I told it my product was. So when you are using the VisionAI for to generate your titles and your listings and everything like that, be sure to be specific. Don't just select that general digital product, okay? You want to make sure you are selecting other and you are specific in your product type, okay? So that's all I wanted to do with this video, is just show you real quickly how to use the VisionAI and use it so you get the best titles and tags and descriptions you can for your product. All right. So I hope you guys found this helpful, and I will see you next time.